Minister of Amerindian Affairs, the Honorable Pauline Sukhai, over the past 5 days, has been conducting flood assessments in several villages in the Upper Mazaruni area, where over 700 households have been severely affected. The minister was accompanied by teams from the Civil Defense Commission and the Guyana Geology and the Mines Commission. She assured residents of Jawala, Kako, Parima, Kwebenang, Philippi, Imbaymadai, and Waramadong of government's continued support to cushion them during the disaster.
We are firstly looking at people's safety with respect to the high waters. We're looking at people's food security and, of course, of their health.
Minister Sukhai said based on feedback from the residents, they will require short and long-term assistance.
The entire agricultural production in these villages are on the threat, and it will be lost. So their concern is about getting back on track with their livelihood, and many of them have requested not only a short-term approach but a long-term approach to assisting them back to normalcy.
The Amerindian Affairs Minister noted that Jawala village has been the worst hit in the Upper Mazaruni. 74 houses have been flooded, one of which collapsed and was swept away in the Mazaruni River. Some 159 farms were also waterlogged in Jawala, while in its satellite Kwebenang, 163 farms were destroyed, affecting 86 persons. Over in Waramadong, along the Camarang River, 207 farms and 12 homes were flooded. In Kako, the residents revealed that 176 households are struggling to cope with the effects of the floods, as 120 farms were submerged. Water also entered at least 12 houses in the village. All 324 households in Philippi have been affected by the waters that swamped their farmlands. Meanwhile, some 56 farmers of Parima felt the effects of the overtopping of the Camarang River, while 20 mining operations were flooded at Imbaymadai. Minister Sukhai assured the residents that the government, through the CDC, will work to provide assistance.
We will work with the Civil Defense Commission, who is going to respond to ensure that all across Guyana, the flood victims are treated with the same level of support.
Head of the CDC's assessment team in Upper Mazaruni, Captain Hubern Collins, said efforts are already underway to lend assistance to the affected residents.
Presently, we are more or less stockpiling resources in Camarang so we can reach out to the other villages.
The government, led by President Dr. Mohammed Irfan Ali, has been conducting assessments in all 10 regions with the view of providing immediate and long-term relief.